The leg on the right is straight fit, the leg on the left has a nice taper to it. Let's make them both look like that. I don't like long intros, let's do this. Start with your jeans inside out, and the first thing you want to know is that the back of your jeans are slightly wider than the front to compensate for your huge calves, so don't worry, they're not gonna line up perfectly, it's totally normal. The key to a good taper is having a leg hole opening that's pretty narrow, and the leg hole opening on these jeans is a gaping wide 8 inches. For reference, the leg hole on these slim fit jeans right here is 7 inches, so why don't we go ahead and make these 7 inches as well. Put a sewing pin right there to mark that spot. Boop! I'm SD, and if you're new, I show guys like you how to tailor their own clothes at home, so if that sounds interesting to you, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Our taper is gonna start at that leg hole opening, and it's gonna end at the knee on our jeans, so measure to where your knee is on your jeans, and on mine it's 21.5 inches. Take another sewing pin and place it right at that spot, right there. That's where your taper is gonna end. Grab a ruler or anything with an edge really and draw a line connecting those 2 points. Run over that bad boy with your sewing machine with these settings, and you can use a chain stitch if you want to for extra strength, but it's totally optional. Boom! We got a nice new tapered stitch on here and this nice narrow leg hole opening that's kind of talking to you. It's kind of weird, hopefully I edited this part out. Cut off all that extra fabric, leaving about a 1/2 of an inch on there, and see, all of that's gonna fray on us if we leave it. Denim frays more than like anything else, so let's finish this off with the zigzag stitch. This right here is the finished product. Now let's go learn how to alter the waist of a pair of jeans, shall we? It's in the end card. I'll see you over there. SD out. See ya.